Hey, this is Oscar again from La Maison, and today we're gonna be tackling the breaker box. Hey! So, in the breaker box, basically it controls everything that you have inside your apartment. A lot of residents don't know that in the breaker box you can cut everything off, including light switches, outlets, anything. So here you can cut off your range if you ever have issues, and they're all labeled. And there's ever an issue with the microwave, with the refrigerator, with anything that's electrical, you can always come here and turn it off if you feel like you need to. But this is where everything happens as far as electrical. This is your furnace breaker. The way you turn it off and on, you come this way to the right off, leave it for a few seconds, and turn it back on. And this is your air condition. If you're discovering an issue, you can come look here in the breaker box to make sure that it's not tripped. If it's tripped, you turn it off and then you turn it back on. So your breaker box is always located behind one of the bedroom doors. I'm Oscar Rodriguez from La Maison River Oaks, and this was your maintenance tip of the day.